Is that recording or not? Okay, we're recording. Anyway, this is Joe with Joe's Plumbing. I'm over at the Kingsbury property of yours, and I just got it to open back up again. Naturally, there'll be no charge for today, but I just kind of wanted to show you, if I could, what's going on, and it's kind of baffling how it's set up. But anyway, as you come over here and see, I've got the hose. Well, right now I've actually got it running full blast because I opened the line. But when I got here, I put the hose in, and it was just like your video, and it was coming back up out of both of them and not coming up out of the floor drain. Anyway, so as you can see, I got the cable in the stack here, hose in the stack here. If we get over to the other side, well, I don't know if I'm probably going to have to go over there so you can see it. But all right. But as you can see, here's my cable in the stack and coming out of the floor drain. That's not supposed to be able to happen. And if I go from this floor drain, what you see right there, if I go from here, it comes right back out the other stack. Then, when you come over to this next floor drain, about 10 feet away, and you look down it, and you see it's dry too. Get all the way down in there, you see there's no trap there. It's dry as a bone. When I go from this one, it goes straight out to the sanitary line. I can push it through by hand. These are sweeps. I'm surprised, well, I have no sense of smell, so I can't tell you, but I'm surprised it doesn't stink all the time in here because of these open, basically, vents in the basement. Now, the bad part about this one was it stopped up after this one, but before that one. So it was in an area that I had no access to be able to get to because it would either go back up the stack, or if I did the other one out to the main, nothing would get in the middle. So I used what's called a, what the hell is it? It's a kinetic water ram. It's kind of like somehow shoots some kind of a, it's mainly through air, but some kind of a power wave of some sort that will go through the water at I forget how many feet a second, and it'll pass by traps or anything like that, or even a vent. And when it hits it, it blows it away. So that's the only thing I was able to use in here to actually get the line open the first time. What I think probably happened is when I went in here and shot it with the water ram, I probably pushed some of it back up in between these two. So that's why I had to come back out and go from here, because I did already cable this part of the line, but I didn't do it again after I got it open with the water ram. So anyway, it's open now. I got the water draining. I'm running full blast in the stacks. The cable's still in the line to show you. Now here, I'm going to have to work this back and forth because see that water is bobbing up and down. This trap here is like packed full of grease and stuff because it's been draining improperly for who knows how long. So I'm going to work this a little bit while I'm here, and then I would say maybe an electric water jet or something to try to get some of this out of the line, but really you need to address the problem of no trap and not being able to service a portion of the line. So if you got any questions, I'll have Mike email this over to you. I'm going to work for a little while longer on it and make sure it's draining as good as I can get it for right now. So thank you for your attention, and I will send your information out by paper later. All right, now let's see, stop.